everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I picked out a lot of things from the Nykaa Valentine's Day sale. I picked out a lot of shower gels, body scrubs because summer is coming, so I just wanted to get ready for that. A couple of new launches that I wanted to try as well. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first product I picked up is the Body Shop Satsuma Shower Gel. This is a 750 ml bottle. I picked out a big bottle because I think if you pick up a bigger bottle, your the price of it is slightly lesser than if you pick up individual small like 250 ml bottles. So this one has Satsuma essence in it, cold pressed Satsuma essence, and it smells really refreshing. Yeah, it smells very refreshing. It'll be perfect for summer.
So I was trying the consistency of it. It's quite light and it's gel based. It lathers up as and when you put in more water, and it also doesn't dry the skin too much at all.
So the second thing I picked up were these two products. Now this is from Spa of the World, again from the Body Shop. This one is the Mediterranean Sea Salt Scrub, and this one is the Japanese Camellia Cream. Now I have used a scrub from the Body Shop from the same range, Spa of the World, but it was not this one. I can't remember the name. I will leave the name in the description box of the previous scrub, but I did hear a lot of good things about the sea salt scrub, and somebody did suggest me to pick up this one, but that time I was really confused, so I didn't pick this one up. So this time I got my hands on the sea salt scrub, and honestly, I love using exfoliators and scrubs, especially in the summer, because I just feel that you're sweating so much and there's so much pollution anyway. It's very important to either use a loofah or use an exfoliator. I think it's a must to exfoliate your skin at least 3 times a week.
So the scrub is quite gritty in consistency, so in case your skin is very thin or very sensitive, you might not like this one, but I personally like something that is slightly gritty, so I feel as if it's exfoliating my skin really well. And I also felt that it left this sort of a layer of, I don't know what exactly it is, but it left my skin moisturized at the same time. So when I was trying to remove it with water, I still felt my skin was soft and moisturized at the same time. And you can see a slight difference in my skin already. It does seem like it looks lighter on the right hand as opposed to the left hand.
So the second thing I picked up from the same range, Spa of the World by Body Shop, is the Japanese Camellia Cream. It's the Velvet Moisture Body Cream. Now the fragrance of this is really nice and subtle and mild. It's not very strong. I have heard such good things actually about Spa of the World range for body care. So I was just dying to pick up these because these were on discount on Nykaa, and the consistency of it is very moisturizing as well.
So this is a review and first impressions of sorts as well, because I'm trying all of these products out for the first time with you guys in the video. So for this cream, I actually thought this is going to be slightly creamy when I looked into the box, but when I put it on my skin, this was very light. It got spread and it got absorbed into my skin really well. The fragrance of this is also really nice and light and subtle, absolutely perfect for summer days.
So the next thing I picked up was this face wash from Simple. Now I was so excited that Simple is actually launched in India and it's on Nykaa and it was on sale as well. I went through the entire page of Simple. There were not too many products. There were 2 kinds of face washes. There were facial wipes, there was micellar water and moisturizers. I picked up the refreshing facial wash. I tried to smell this. There is no fragrance at all, which is absolutely amazing because it is absolutely perfume and color free. It has no alcohol, no chemicals, no parabens, and no animal derived ingredients as well. So I'm very kicked to use this face wash.
So my favorite by far has to be this face wash. When I was trying it, it's gel based obviously, but at the same time it's it's very hydrating, very soft gel based on your skin. and it felt as though I could use it under my eyes, on my lips, like all of the sensitive areas on my face as well. And once I removed it with water, what I really wanted to know was that whether it made my skin dry, or was it making my skin pull, because that is usually what face wash do, like after once you've removed it. But this one did not make my skin feel very dry. It was slightly tight, but I think with a moisturizer on top of this, it will be absolutely perfect. But yes, I mean, a big thumbs up for this face wash, and the price factor, I mean, it's totally worth it.
Another thing I was very excited to pick up and see was the Innisfree Bija Cica Mask Sheet. I saw this and it said Cica Care Solution, and it is for irritated, troubled skin, and this mask protects the skin against external irritants. And to be honest, my skin does get slightly irritated if I'm out in the sun for too long. I get sunburned, so when I come back it feels very itchy and uncomfortable. So I was looking for a sheet mask that would actually help my skin to sort of calm down and probably take care of it from any sort of irritants in the air or the environment. So that's why I wanted to pick up this one. It looked very different. This one is a pack of 5 sheet masks, and I'm going to write the price here. I mean, the price here is rupees 1150.
So yeah, generally how you would use a face mask, I removed it, applied it on my skin. I personally like to use it in the night either, so I could, you know, leave it the entire night. When I put it in the morning, I at least keep it in for an hour, so it works really well. So I kept this on for about 45 minutes to an hour.
Another new launch was the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Again, I was very excited to use this because I saw it all over. A lot of people were using it. It is water based. It's a water gel, so it's going to be perfect for summer. It gives 48-hour hydration, so I was very excited to give this a shot. And obviously Neutrogena as a brand has been in the market for years. It's been trusted by so many people. I've personally used their face wash, their sunscreen, so when they came out with this, I obviously had to purchase it.
So that is how my skin looked after I removed the sheet mask. To be honest, there was a lot of product and I applied all of that on my skin. So when I removed the sheet mask, there was still a lot of product on it. So I just dabbed it off with a tissue paper. But that's how my skin looked after that. I'm going to just dot the cream all over my skin and apply it. When I was trying this, it's really nice and gel based and really light. It's gonna get really hot, and I like to use products that are really lightweight and it gets absorbed into the skin and doesn't, you know, sit on the skin, because that is gonna clog your pores even more.
The last thing that I picked up was the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel, and the Sally Hansen products are on a massive discount, just by the way, on Nykaa. I really like Sally Hansen stuff, especially like their top coats, their nail hardeners, their whiteners, all of that. I have the Insta Dry from Sally Hansen. Now this was not available on Nykaa. Like I went on Nykaa to look for this one, but this was not there, and this is like a constant purchase for me because this dries up your nail polish in like 10 seconds, and your nail polish, like, it lasts for really long and does not chip at all. Anyway, so I picked up this Miracle Gel. It's a pack of 2. You have the normal colorant here, and then you have a Miracle 2X volume top coat, and this gives you a gel finish. This is the color I picked up. I need to try it. I haven't tried this color yet. It looked slightly whiter on screen when I saw it, so I thought probably I'll get like an ivoryish color because those are the colors I like, but this seems slightly more yellowish beige. But anyway, we're gonna try this and give this one a shot. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have liked any product, the direct link to it is in the description box. You guys can check it out. I'm going to see you guys very soon. Like this video, share it if it helps another friend. Hit the notification bell so you're up to date every time I put out a new video. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.